Thank you for taking the time to learn how to create your own visual equipment controls using Brady's Visual Workplace Systems. This presentation will take about 10 minutes and will show you how you can create gauge labels, oil level indicators, drive tension guides, and other durable, multicolor equipment visuals in just seconds. The use of such visuals has many benefits, including faster setup and changeover times with less risk of mistakes, the ability to detect operating abnormalities at a glance and at a distance. This is especially important in autonomous maintenance programs where machine operators and other non-technical people are responsible for routine equipment care. Visual equipment controls can also improve efficiency in condition-based maintenance programs where reliability engineers periodically walk a route and inspect numerous PM points on pieces of equipment which may be largely unfamiliar to them. It's easy to see how equipment visuals can have a significant impact on productivity, quality, throughput, cost, and safety. The quickest and easiest way to create visual equipment controls is with Brady's Markware software and GlobalMark printer. Users create visuals on the computer using wizard-like templates, then print directly to the durable media via the GlobalMark printer. Manual cutting, aligning, and handwriting is completely eliminated. Markware Lean Tools is a special version of Brady's Markware Facility Identification software. The Lean Tools edition is designed for use by lean manufacturers and other operations where maintaining optimum equipment performance and reliability is critical. It also includes unique functionality for creating the visual equipment controls shown on this slide. Users are able to create multicolored gauge labels for both standard and Magna Helix type gauges. Also included are templates for creating striped oil level indicators. When placed behind oil sight tubes, these indicators help to avoid costly over and under lubrication errors. And as shown on the right, labels indicating the proper tension for belts and chains can also be easily set up. Users also have the ability to quickly create rules and other alignment aids, ensuring accurate setup and operation. Directional arrows can also be added to control knobs or to indicate the proper rotational direction on shafts and gears. Now let's take a brief look to see how the software actually works. The visual equipment controls are conveniently grouped in one module that is displayed on the main screen. As you can see, templates are also provided for creating safety signs, pipe markers, equipment ID, hazardous chemical labels, and other commonly used industrial identification visuals. Let's see how easy it is to create a circular gauge label. The size of the label and the width of the green in-range area can be freely adjusted by dragging the handles. Alternatively, more precise results can be achieved by entering numerical measurements taken from the gauge using a simple ruler. Yellow cautionary areas can also be added to either side if desired. Notice the dotted line around the circle. That instructs the GlobalMark to cut out the label using its built-in plotter cutter. This eliminates the need for manual cutting with scissors. Now let's create an alignment aid. The ruler can be sized as desired, again by grabbing the handles. In the property field, you can select from several different tick mark formats, and you can adjust the interval between the tick marks. You can also choose to print or not to print numbers. Instead, for example, you could choose to include product part numbers or other text on the ruler. Users have the option of choosing a different background color And an in-range indicator can even be added to the edge of the guide. Now let's go back to the presentation. Once the label is created in Markware, you can print directly to Brady's GlobalMark printer. As you can see, the tapes and ribbons come separately, allowing you to mix and match colors. The tapes come in 4 different widths, ranging from 1/2 inch all the way up to 4 inches wide. We've talked about how to create visuals on the computer, but the GlobalMark also includes a touchscreen and keyboard allowing standalone functionality. This way, if someone needs to create a simple label or pipe marker on the spot, they don't need to log on to a computer. They can quickly create what they need right at the printer. While the GlobalMark supports a variety of media, which we'll discuss later, the primary output material is our industrial-grade vinyl. It uses an aggressive adhesive that sticks and stays stuck to a wide variety of surfaces, including pipes, floors, and walls. The image is printed using thermal transfer technology, which actually burns the ink into the tape, providing much better durability than either inkjet or laser. As a result, GlobalMark labels withstand moisture, common cleansers and solvents, and can even last up to 5 years outdoors. The GlobalMark can print multiple colors on a label and can even print photographs. This is highly useful for doing procedure placards or safety tags. The system accommodates paneled ribbons, as shown on the left, where multiple color panels are included on the same ribbon. This innovative system allows the unit to print multiple colors without having to manually change ribbon cartridges. The GlobalMark can also be purchased with a built-in plotter cutter, which can cut out shapes and characters. Thus, when creating a round gauge label, for example, there's no need to manually cut around the circle with scissors. It's all done for you automatically. The cut text feature is also useful for creating professional-looking door signs and large placards. When used in combination with the stencil font in Markware, it can also be used to create stencils for painting highly durable markings on walls and floors. The GlobalMark can also print directly to a flexible tag stock, great for creating tags for inspection and safety purposes. The tag stock also finds practical use in printing custom Kanban cards on demand. The GlobalMark prints directly to magnetic media. This is useful for warehouse applications, production control boards, and much more. In the photo on the left, a magnet on the rack serves as the Kanban card, which gets removed and sent up the production stream whenever stock needs to be replenished. Another great solution for stock labeling is the repositionable vinyl. This media sticks securely to racks and shelves, but can easily be peeled off and moved to another location when inventories are reorganized. And of course, the Repo vinyl also finds practical use in the stencil application mentioned earlier, as it provides close contact with the surface to be painted, but can easily be removed and even reused after the paint is applied. That concludes our presentation of Markware Lean Tools and the GlobalMark printer. You can find more information on the web at www.bradyid.com/visualworkplace. In addition to detailed product information, the site also contains a lot of great educational articles, webcasts, and other info. It also shows a gallery of example photos that illustrate how visuals can be used to enhance productivity, quality, and reliability. Alternatively, call our 800 number and order our Visual Workplace catalog by asking for part number Y875266. You can also ask for a Brady representative to come to your facility and provide a live demonstration of the software and printer. They'll be happy to show you the system, discuss your needs, and answer any questions. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Brady's Visual Workplace Solutions. We hope you found the information useful and look forward to hearing from you soon.